Look, it's Bonnie and Woody. Time for school, Bonnie. Oh dear, Bonnie is scared. Oh, look at Bonnie's school. Bonnie is scared. The teacher says hello to Bonnie. Bonnie listens to the teacher. Mommy says goodbye. Bonnie says goodbye to Mommy. A chair and a table for Bonnie. Oh no! Look at the boy. Look at Woody. Crayons. Good, Woody. Look at Bonnie. That's great, Bonnie. Good job. Bonnie is happy. Woody is happy. Good job, Bonnie. Good job. Look at Forky. Hello, Forky. It's Mommy and Daddy. Hooray! Hello. School is great. Bonnie is happy.